In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Squarespace cheaper. Squarespace is a fantastic platform for building websites, but let's be honest, sometimes the cost can add up. Thankfully, there are a few strategies you can use to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. First, let's talk about promo codes. Squarespace occasionally offers promo codes that can save you a substantial amount on your initial subscription. These codes aren't always easy to find directly on their website, but they are often available through various online outlets like TechRadar. Sites like these frequently compile lists of current promotions and discounts. Another great tip is to sign up for Squarespace's mailing list. It may require a bit of patience, but subscribers often receive these exclusive offers directly in their inbox, sometimes as part of seasonal sales events or new product launches. So always keep an eye on your emails for those codes. Next, consider the benefits of paying for your subscription annually rather than on a month-to-month basis. This may require a bit more upfront investment, but over the course of a year, it can lead to some serious savings. Squarespace typically offers a reduced rate for those willing to commit to a full year, and this can be a great way to reduce your overall cost without sacrificing any features or functionality of the platform. Plus, having your subscription sorted for the entire year means one less expense to think about on a monthly basis. For students out there, Squarespace offers discounted pricing that's worth checking into. Visit the Squarespace for Students page to see the specific criteria and to find out if you qualify. Usually, you'll need to verify your student status through a third-party service, but once that's done, you can take advantage of these discounts. This can be a huge help, especially if you're building a portfolio site or a showcase page as part of a school project. Finally, for those in the professional sphere, whether you're a designer, developer, or consultant, joining the Squarespace Circle community might be the perfect fit. As a member of Squarespace Circle, you not only gain access to various perks and resources designed to help streamline your business operations, but also enjoy discounts on your own Squarespace sites. It's an effective way to save when you're building or managing multiple sites for clients or personal use. To wrap it all up, getting a cheaper Squarespace subscription is absolutely feasible by just applying these strategies. Whether it's by scoring a promo code, opting for an annual plan, claiming a student discount, or joining Squarespace Circle, there's a solution that could meet your needs. Remember to always explore all available options to make the most of the valuable resources at your disposal. Thank you for watching, and happy savings!